Hello everyone, how to solve this nice math Olympiad problem. X minus 1 whole cube is equal to x minus 1 and we are interested to find x. Let's come to the solution. First of all, x minus 1 whole cube is equal to x minus 1. This we can write as in the braces. So by moving x minus 1 from right hand side to left hand side, this will become x minus 1 whole cube minus x minus 1 is equal to here 0. Now x minus 1, this is whole cube, and minus x minus 1, the power of x minus 1 is 1. So we can factor out x minus 1 as a common, and inside here x minus 1 whole squared minus x minus 1, which we have taken it common, and inside 1 will be left, and this whole thing is equal to 0. Now by using zero product rule, x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 whole squared minus 1 is equal to 0. Now from x minus 1 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 1. This is the first value of x. Now this is x minus 1 whole squared minus 1 is equal to 0. So we can write this as 1 squared is equal to 1. By using an algebraic identity, if we have a squared minus b squared, then this is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here a is x minus 1 and b is 1. So we can write this a plus b into a minus b. This will become x minus 1 plus b, b is 1, so plus 1, into x minus 1 minus b, hence minus sign with 1 with minus sign is equal to 0. Now x minus 1 and plus 1, which is 0, here x will be left, and here x minus 1 and minus 1 gives us minus 2 is equal to 0. Now by using zero product rule here, we get x is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the second value of x, and from this we get x is equal to 2. This is the third value of x. So we have found three values of x. x1 is 1, x2 is 0, and x3 is 2. So we can write this as 0, 1 and 2. These are the values of x. Now let's verify that whether these values of x for this given expression is valid or invalid. So first of all, we will check this expression for x is equal to 0. So here in the place of x we will put 0 minus 1 whole cube is equal to x, which is 0 minus 1. So this will become 0 minus 1 whole cube is equal to 0 minus 1, which is minus 1. So minus multiplied by minus gives us minus, and 1 cube, which is 1, is equal to minus 1. Hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we have proved that the first value of x, which is 0, is a valid solution. Now we will use the value of x, which is 1. Now here in the place of x we will put 1 minus 1 whole cube. Whether it is equal or not equal to, we have used 1 minus 1. Hence 1 minus 1, which is 0, 0 cube is equal to 0, is equal to 1 minus 1, which is 0. So in this case we have proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence our second value of x, which is 1, is also a valid solution. Now let's check the value of x, which is 2, is valid or invalid. So in the place of x we will put 2 and minus 1 whole cube is equal to, here we will put 2 minus 1. So here 2 minus 1 gives us 1 whole cube is equal to 2 minus 1, which is 1. Now multiplying 1 3 times we get 1 is equal to 1. We have proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence our third value of x, which is 2, is also a valid solution. So we have x is equal to 0, 1 and 2 for this given expression. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe this.